Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
A bank account offers a simple interest of 4% per year. Jason puts $250 into this bank account and leaves it to earn interest for 6 years. Find the total amount of interest earned over the 6-year period. So as I've told you, they will give you the time period and they also give you the initial amount and they also give you the percentage. So what we do first is we look at the percentage, and as you can see, the percentage is 4% per year. So that means each year, 4% of the starting amount is added as interest. So now we have to find 4% of $250 using a multiplier. So remember, 4%, if we want to write this as a fraction, it will be 4 over 100. And then we convert it to a decimal, and then it will be 0.04. So this will be the multiplier. The multiplier will be 0.04. Now we want to find 4% of $250 using a multiplier. So now we say 0.04 multiplied by $250. And what will this be equal to? What is 0.04 multiplied by 250? That gives us 10, right? So this amount of interest is earned every year for 6 years. So now we can multiply this amount by 10. So it will be 10 multiplied by 6. Why do we use the number 6? Because this is the time period. And that gives us $60. That gives us $60. So $60 of interest is earned. What will the total amount in the bank account be after 6 years? How can we go about calculating that? So what we do is we add the amount of interest earned found in the first part of the question to the starting amount. So it will be a very simple addition sum. So it will be $250 plus $60. And that, of course, will give us an answer of $310. So this will be the amount in the savings account or in the bank account after a period of 6 years.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.